Otherwise, the guided readers are across the hall, so follow me. Okay, the room right next to the girls' restroom is now our guided reading library. This lock has been reconfigured to work with your, I believe it's your Tiki, hang on. So it's your Tiki that opens all the common areas. Okay, once you get in here, the lower levels, starting with level 1, start here in the closet. So you can see that they're leveled up top. We've got level 1 through 9, and you've got level 10 all the way around. The last one you'll find here is level 19. Okay, each box is labeled with the title and also the level and the box number. And then the upper levels, you'll continue around this way. Notice we've got level 20 all the way to 44. So when you are ready to choose one, if you'll grab the bag, and right over here is a kiosk set up for you to check out. The instructions are all printed and right here on the desk for you, including the username and password that you will need. So when you open it up, potentially it's logged out. So you will find a page where you'll have to click on Barbers Hill Elementary North, then you'll click on the login, type in the information right here. It's North Library with capital, and then the password is Go Eagles. And you'll click circulation, library search, it's all written right here. Scan your badge barcode to check it out to you. So you'll scan your badge, then you'll scan your books, and then you're ready to go. Now when you're ready to return them, here's the return bin. Please go ahead and count the books. Make sure that you have the number that you left with. If not, bring it back to your room and work on getting those back from other students. Now some of the books, because we've combined a couple collections, most of them have 6 books in them. If they do not, it is marked on the bag and it'll say 5 books. So you might need to pay attention to that before checking out in case that's a problem for you. Some may have fewer than 6. So most of them will have 6. Count, make sure you have what you left with, and then put it right here in the box. Someone will count them, check it in for you, and return them to the shelves. Now, because we combined a couple collections, there are some things like a book in multiple spots. If that is a problem and if you want that corrected, I have a sheet right here that just says suggestion sheet, and you can write whatever you're seeing and whatever you think needs to be corrected right here, and we'll take a look. So if you have any questions, stop by the library and ask me. Good luck.